Okay, so good morning. Right now we are in Zeleke for these rope activities today, and this is the team again. Some of them are having tea, and now we are going for the to check the length of the rope. Yep. So we are going to do some very fun activities today. So right now we are going for the to set up the zip line. So I'll show you how to set up the zip line. Also, how we are going to operate these things. Commissioner, and he will be teaching us how to set up all of these zip line, and we are thinking this is an ideal place for the zip line. Okay, so we've already set up this side. Now we're going to the other side. There goes the rope. So the distance is around 20 to 30 meters.
You have to keep on continuing that. Okay.
So guys, here we go. Yeah, so that's it for the zip line. We have already dismantled all of the ropes, and now we are heading for lunch. It's around 2 p.m. here. Everyone's hungry and tired. Yep. So that is the tree right there. That's the starting point. And then that right there is the landing tree. So we're about to have our lunch. Wow, so refreshing. Okay.
Nice. Good. Hey, let's go, let's go. Let's dig in.
So this is a special. Everyone's busy having lunch. Roko, smile for the camera. And this guy, he's got himself an island. We got some wild cherries here. Let's see if we can get any of the fruits. Okay, let me show you something very interesting. See? Here we have a wild lemon trees. You can see all of these fruits. See? And this is the tree. Lots of fruits here. I'll just grab one. Yep. So usually these are not consumed because there's nothing to eat inside. Let me open one for you. See? This is the inside of it. See? These are the seeds. So big. It's kind of juicy. So this is the wild lemon. Okay, so we are done with our lunch, and we are trying to set up the rope again for the river crossing. This is the river right here. So we're gonna tie one end of the rope on this side of the river and another one on this other side of the river. So this is how you tighten the rope. You can see a couple of pulleys here.
Look at here. One thing.
So this is the process.
Okay, again see. Okay, yeah. Everybody, okay, come here and pull it from here. Yeah.
Yep. So they're pulling for a trial.
You'll be back at the government. And I'll be back. You can do one more thing. Okay. You can place your leg on the rope. Yeah. Yeah. Place your leg on the rope. Leg on the rope. Legs up, leg left, leg. Place it on the rope. Up. No, you have to lift your leg. Just your leg and put it on the rope. Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Now go. Now go.
Woo!
No, you don't get like. Okay, don't pull him. Don't pull him. Don't pull him. Okay, turn that side. Okay, you can use the mission. Look up. You need a mittens. Mittens. You need mittens. Gloves.
It's okay.
Yeah, go now.
He's awake but disoriented. So this is how you cross the river. So we are done with the river crossing. We have also dismantled all of the ropes, and some of them are learning how to coil up the ropes. And after this, we are heading back to Konoma. So this is the team. This is the final cup of tea for the day. The team is enjoying.